name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, thank you. Glad to see you and hope to see you again. If you are returning again, thank you for coming back, checking out what we got going on. Well, today is that time again for another unboxing. Today is going to be the Target Beauty Box. Before we dig into this box, I do want to remind you to hit that little button right there. I can give you a second. I could just sit here and wait on you. No problem. Okay, time's up. Subscribe right there. So, and once you see what's inside of this box, if you like this type of video, well, I'm just going to ask you to go ahead and hit that like button, and then share a comment or two. If it's something else that you'd like to see, leave some information for me. I'll look out for you. I got you. So right now, what we're going to do is go ahead and dig into this box. For those of you who are not familiar with the Target Beauty Box, it is a $7 per month subscription box. It gives you sample size, deluxe size, and sometimes even full-size products of some of their faves for the month. The price, $7, y'all, $7. And you do not even have to cover shipping. That is included for you. Now, in addition to the wonderful products that you get in this box, they also include coupons. So the coupons will give you always $3 off any beauty purchase. Okay, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna have another video coming up real soon. I really want you to come back for that one. And that one, I'm going to show you how to shop not spending any of your own money. I promise you, no clickbait. It's amazing, and I do it all the time. So watch out for that one. So we're going to go ahead and open the July 2018 Target Beauty Box. And the description card says, "Hello Rejuvenation." Okay, I'm sorry. It's kind of like washing out big time right there. But the writing on it is white, so you can't really see it. But that is what it says, I promise you. It says, "Daily grind running you down. Girl, you're not alone. Sometimes all we need is a little pick-me-up." Okay. It says, inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll help you feel refreshed and rejuvenated so you can put your best self forward. Try them out. And if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size version at target.com/beautybox. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and dig right in. Of course, as always, okay, you know it's full when stuff is falling out. It's just falling out. Really? Okay, we're going to act like that didn't happen and keep going. So here it is. We're going to go ahead and open up the tissue paper. And let's see. It's full-size product in here already. Full size. Alright. So, the first product that is coming out of this box. I do hope it was just this one thing that fell. If not, we'll be finding out real soon, won't we? Alright. It is Tresemme Repair and Protect 7 mask. Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to see if I can. All right. There we go. There we go. I was going to see if I could rework the lighting so it wasn't so bright and washing it out. But that's what this is. It says Instant Recovery Mask for Damaged Hair. It's especially formulated with biotin to deeply penetrate hair fibers from within and strengthen breakage and split ends so looks, look, and feel luscious. Okay, they're feeling luscious now. Okay. It says 3 steps. They, of course, want you to start with Tresemme Repair and Protect Shampoo. Then it says step 2, apply mask evenly to damp hair. Concentrate from mid-length through to the end. And then step 3 is let the mask work for 3 to 4 minutes. Rinse thoroughly use once a week instead of conditioner or as needed. Okay. I don't know. We'll see. We'll definitely see how that works out. So, and as I said, this one is definitely a just a sample size. Okay. The next product. Oh, nice. All right, is one of my favorite kinds of things, which is black soap. But this one is a sample size of the Shea Moisture African Black Soap and Charcoal Body Scrub. Okay, can you see that? All right, and this one says African Black Soap blended with bamboo charcoal helps draw out dirt from the skin, while organic raw shea butter moisturizes and soothes. Okay, so this one, once again, definitely a sample. It says no parabens, no propylene glycol, no mineral oil, no sulfates, and no animal testing. And this is a 2-ounce size. Yep, they come sealed, but I am a fan of, you know, of black soap, and a fan of using charcoal as well, because it definitely draws out the impurities and whatnot out of your skin. So this is product number 2. The next one we have is, oh, all right. This is a Cure. It's kind of bad with when they're the packaging is white as well. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm gonna work on it. I'll definitely work on it with the light. Actually, if you give me a second, let me see if I can fix it for you. I tried to work it out with the lighting situation a little bit. This is pretty tough right here because the tube is white. However, this is brilliantly brightening facial scrub exfoliant. Okay, and this is a 1-ounce sample size, and it says organic sea kelp and lemon peel gently exfoliates the skin, while French green clay and Madonna lily, alrighty then, draw out impurities to boost and brighten. Okay, now this is a good brand. I've used Cure products before, which I definitely do love. All right, now the next product we have is let's see, an Up and Up brand, 3 treatments of whitening kit. All right, wow, this is just, there we go, right there. How about that? See, I got these instantly adjusting lights. You see this? No sooner than it becomes, okay, that's probably about the best that's going to get. So we're going to work on the lighting so that we don't go through this the next time. Vibrant whitening strips are scientifically designed to remove years of tough stains for visibly a whiter smile. They give us a little tip about this, which is, for the pearliest whites, use for 30 minutes, just once a day for 10 days. Say hello to long-lasting, sparkly smiles. Okay, and as I said, this is 3 treatments. It says, 6 strips for the upper and lower. Okay, so that's the next product, and once again, a sample size. All right, the next one we have by the well-known company Clean and Clear. Okay, and this one is a jelly sheet mask. That sounds interesting. I don't think I've had a jelly sheet mask. Not that I know of. It says cooling hydrogel sheet mask is designed to adhere to skin's contours to help lock in essential nourishing ingredients for a replenished, refreshed glow. Okay, and this is one single use, and this one is a night relaxing eye sheet mask. So with seaweed extract, soothes and replenishes the skin. Now it's amazing that this just covers from the forehead to just under the nose. Okay, so that's what that one is. Okay, then moving right along, this one is a deluxe sample, possibly. It's good size right here. Now, yeah, we're definitely going to have to work on these lights because this packaging is actually a peach color. So it's kind of being washed out with the lights the way they are. This will not happen again, okay? This is a coconut dry shampoo, ultra fine rice starch. Acts quickly to soak up oil, sweat, and odor. So next day, hair looks and feels fresh, bouncy, and full of volume. It says, by the way, free of sulfates, parabens, gluten, and artificial colors. That's what this is, and it says it's a 1.7 ounce size. Okay, that's quite a few products this month because we're not finished yet. Alrighty, product in our box for the month is Nivea. Okay, we're all familiar with that company. This is the Foaming Silk Mousse Body Wash. Cream moisture. It says soft, silky skin with provitamin B5. Moisturizing ingredients of classic Nivea cream. This is a full-size product. And I'll make sure I put below the average price. And since this is the Target Beauty Box, I will go onto Target.com and find out the exact amount of this full-size product. So this month's box was pretty awesome. It was pretty awesome. We got plenty of products, you know, in here. Things that we can definitely use, get some good use out of. You know, it is truly about that rejuvenation thing. Okay, from the whitening strips to the hair, and then the Shea Moisture for the face, and then the Brilliant Brightening, and then also the hair. So, this has been our Target Beauty Box subscription for the month of July. Now, I promise you I will be fixing this lighting situation, and we will never... See, I did try to work on it, and look, you can see, wow, you can see the vibrancy of the colors now. The peach color I was telling you about, that is in the Hask hair product, okay? So, thank you once again for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. And until the next video, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Thank you so much. See you next time.